Hey there, aspiring vegans and food enthusiasts. If you're new to the vegan lifestyle or simply curious about trying some delicious plant-based recipes, you've come to the right place. Today, we're thrilled to present 10 must-try vegan recipes for beginners that are not only easy to make, but also bursting with flavor and nourishment. Whether you're looking to incorporate more plant-based meals into your diet or exploring the world of vegan cooking, these recipes will ignite your culinary creativity. If you find these ideas helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more wholesome content. Let's dive into these delightful recipes that'll make you fall in love with vegan cuisine. Number 1. Chickpea salad with lemon tahini dressing. Our first must-try recipe is a refreshing and protein-packed chickpea salad with lemon tahini dressing. In a bowl, toss together cooked chickpeas, cucumber, cherry tomatoes, red onion, and fresh parsley. For the zesty dressing, whisk tahini, lemon juice, garlic, and a pinch of salt and pepper until smooth. Drizzle the dressing over the salad and give it a good mix. The combination of hearty chickpeas, crisp vegetables, and creamy tahini dressing creates a delightful medley of flavors and textures that'll leave you feeling satisfied and nourished. This salad is not only a breeze to make, but also a great option for a quick lunch or a light dinner. Number 2. Creamy coconut lentil curry. Next up, we have a cozy and comforting creamy coconut lentil curry that's perfect for warming your soul. In a pot, simmer red lentils with diced tomatoes, coconut milk, and a blend of aromatic spices like turmeric, cumin, and garam masala. Let the curry cook until the lentils are tender and the flavors meld together beautifully. The creamy coconut milk adds richness, while the spices infuse the dish with a tantalizing depth of taste. This curry is not only delicious, but also rich in plant-based protein and fiber, making it a wholesome and satisfying meal. Serve it over a bed of fluffy rice or with some naan bread for a satisfying dining experience that'll transport you to exotic lands. Number 3. Veggie Stir Fry with tofu. Now, let's whip up a quick and colorful veggie stir fry with tofu that's sure to become a favorite in your kitchen. In a wok or a large pan, stir fry a colorful assortment of bell peppers, broccoli florets, snap peas, and sliced carrots. Add cubed tofu to the mix and drizzle with a savory sauce made from soy sauce, ginger, garlic, and a touch of maple syrup. The tofu soaks up the flavorful sauce, while the vibrant vegetables add a crunch and burst of nutrition. This stir-fry is a delightful way to showcase the beauty and variety of plant-based ingredients, and it's a fantastic introduction to cooking with tofu, a versatile and protein-rich plant protein. Number 4. Vegan Bolognese with lentils. Craving a classic pasta dish with a vegan twist? Our vegan Bolognese with lentils is a satisfying and hearty option that won't disappoint. In a saucepan, simmer cooked lentils with crushed tomatoes, diced onions, garlic, and Italian herbs. Let the flavors meld together into a rich and savory sauce that's reminiscent of the traditional Bolognese. Serve this luscious sauce over your favorite pasta, whether it's spaghetti, fettuccine, or penne, and top with some fresh basil for a pop of color and freshness. This vegan Bolognese showcases the versatility of lentils and proves that plant-based meals can be both nourishing and comforting. Number 5. Quinoa stuffed bell peppers. Elevate your dinner table with these colorful and wholesome quinoa stuffed bell peppers. Prepare quinoa according to the package instructions and mix it with sauteed onions, garlic, diced tomatoes, black beans, and corn. Season with cumin, paprika, and a touch of chili powder for a burst of flavor. Stuff the mixture into half bell peppers and bake until tender. These stuffed peppers are a complete meal in themselves, packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. Plus, they make for a visually stunning dish that's perfect for impressing guests or simply enjoying a nourishing dinner with your loved ones. Number 6. Cauliflower buffalo wings. Get ready for a game day favorite with a vegan twist cauliflower buffalo wings. In a bowl, coat cauliflower florets with a mixture of chickpea flour, almond milk, and spices. Bake until crispy and golden, then toss the cauliflower in a tangy and spicy buffalo sauce made from hot sauce and melted vegan butter. These wings offer the same satisfying crunch and kick of traditional buffalo wings, but without the meat. Serve them with some vegan ranch or blue cheese dressing and a side of crunchy celery sticks for a crowd-pleasing snack or appetizer. Number 7. Vegan pesto pasta. Who said you can't enjoy a creamy and flavorful pasta without dairy? Our vegan pesto pasta is a dreamy and satisfying dish that'll make your taste buds dance. Blend together fresh basil, garlic, pine nuts, nutritional yeast, and a drizzle of olive oil to create a vibrant and dairy-free pesto sauce. Toss the sauce with your favorite cooked pasta and add some cherry tomatoes and baby spinach for extra color and nutrients. This pasta is an explosion of flavors that'll leave you wondering why you didn't try vegan pesto sooner. It's a simple yet impressive dish that's perfect for weeknight dinners or special occasions. Number 8. Avocado, tomato, and cucumber sandwich. Elevate your sandwich game with a wholesome and satisfying avocado, tomato, and cucumber sandwich. Spread mashed avocado on whole grain bread and layer on slices of juicy tomatoes, refreshing cucumber, and some crisp lettuce leaves. Add a sprinkle of salt and pepper, and you've got a scrumptious and nutrient-packed sandwich that's ready in minutes. The creaminess of avocado pairs perfectly with the crispness of the vegetables, creating a symphony of tastes and textures that'll make your taste buds sing. This sandwich is not only delicious, but also a great way to incorporate more plant-based meals into your daily routine. Number 9. Coconut chickpea curry. Transport your taste buds to the tropics with our creamy and aromatic coconut chickpea curry. In a pot, simmer cooked chickpeas with coconut milk, diced potatoes, and an array of spices like curry powder, turmeric, and cayenne pepper. Let the curry bubble away until the potatoes are tender and infused with the luscious coconut flavor. This dish is a testament to the richness and depth of flavors that can be achieved with plant-based ingredients. Serve the curry over fragrant jasmine rice or with some warm naan bread for a delightful dinner that'll keep you coming back for seconds. Number 10. Vegan chocolate avocado mousse. Let's wrap up our must-try recipes with a delectable and guilt-free dessert vegan chocolate avocado mousse. Blend together ripe avocados, cocoa powder, almond milk, and a touch of maple syrup until silky smooth. The avocados lend a creamy and velvety texture, while the cocoa powder provides a rich and chocolatey flavor without any dairy. This mousse is a delightful treat that'll satisfy your sweet cravings and leave you feeling indulged yet nourished. Top it with some fresh berries or a sprinkle of shaved dark chocolate for an elegant presentation. This dessert proves that vegan options can be just as decadent and delightful as their traditional counterparts. And there you have it, 10 must-try vegan recipes for beginners that will open your eyes to the world of plant-based culinary wonders. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, these recipes are approachable, wholesome, and sure to impress. We hope you feel inspired to give these delicious vegan dishes a try and discover the joy of creating compassionate and nourishing meals. Let us know which recipe you're most excited to cook in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Until next time, happy cooking and bon appetit!